Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. Wear a hat. If you see me outside, I've got my lifeguard hat on. Get that blood flowing. It's like working out the arms or your muscles of your leg. Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com to see the products and a little bit more about who we are. And I also invite you to follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see a little bit more about our beliefs in holistic skincare and what we can do for you, whether you're suffering with acne and scar tissue or you're just aging rapidly and you want to reverse it. Today's video is a little bit about that. Please subscribe, please like. It really is such a blessing to content creators so that we can get our videos out there. And I am an anomaly on the beauty channels. If you're just tuning in, I am 54. I will be 55 in February. I have no makeup on. I only have eyeliner on and lip gloss, and I really try to keep things natural and real here for you. I've had nothing invasive done to my face. I don't do Botox. I never had it. Well, I had a laser in 1980. Oh God. It's probably been about 15, 20 years ago where I partnered with someone to bring lasers into my salons, and I tried it once and it was awful and I never did it again. So I just want to make sure I'm clear about that. And it actually really made my skin worse. I wanted to come on today because my JLo video is getting so much traction, but I got so many positive things, but oh my goodness, the negative things that were said, not necessarily to me, but even on other people doing JLo. I actually had a doctor say to me, a plastic surgeon, oh my gosh, if you can reverse the aging process, or if you really haven't lost that much collagen, start a channel. We all want to hear what you're doing. And I almost think that he was being a bit facetious. And I said, well, I do have a channel and I invite you to come on over and see me. And I also had someone, and I quote, say, you're full of crap. You cannot anti-age and you cannot age naturally. And I was really taken aback by that. And I always try to reply very lovingly and kindly to anyone who says anything. But I thought, what a perfect opportunity to find some pictures of myself as I age and show you how I have aged, and maybe you can make that determination. But I really have not lost a lot of collagen. I really have been able to reverse things at times in my life when things didn't look as good as I would like, and I'll tell you why. There were different times that in my early 20s where maybe I wore a baseball cap more than a wide-brimmed hat. So there were things like that that really caused me to maybe make changes in my life, to notice my skin. And because I'm in this industry and because I have been a master esthetician for almost 35, 36 years, I get to do that. I get to see practically on other clients how skincare works. I get to see how ingredients work on clients. And that has always been such a benefit to me. So here's the first picture. So this is me. And John should be putting it up right now. We'll keep it up for a couple seconds. This is me at 20 years old. Back then, I was caught up in wearing a little bit of makeup. This is a picture that a friend took of me. And my skin actually wasn't that good. I had little bumps on it and little milia, but it's really more about, I want you to see the collagen. I want you to see my skin. Now, at this age, I'm probably also not wearing a baseball, or I'm not wearing a wide brim hat. I'm really wearing a baseball cap. So now this next picture is me at 25 years old. I'm 25. I'm no longer wearing foundation or concealer. I just stopped wearing it. I think I only wore it for a short time. I'm now wearing a wide brimmed hat. And I've also learned prior to this about milk and magnesia, and I'm already wearing it to bed every night. I learned about it from a really famous model. I really won't mention her name here. Her husband was a singer, and she wore milk and magnesia to bed every night, and she swore that it took away wrinkles. And not only have I seen it keep my skin looking soft, and I don't care who comments, doctors, plastic surgeons, people who think they're skincare experts on all these channels. It works, and it works beautifully. It's also anti-inflammatory, and it helps with acne and to keep you from getting acne. I always tell new clients coming in, when do you most likely have a pimple? When you first wake up in the morning. And so when you wear Milk of Magnesia to bed, it's very preventative. It also keeps my skin very firm. Okay, the next picture, number 3, this is when I'm 33 years old. At 33 years old, I'm taking incredible care of my skin. I have gained a tiny bit of weight. I had my babies at 22 and 24. Ken's looking at me, I think that's right. But I also went through different times in my life where maybe I wasn't eating as well. So at 33, I have now really tried to become a vegetarian. I'm eating a lot better. I'm still wearing Milk of Magnesia. I've never smoked. I have gained a tiny bit of weight in my life, and that would really be, you know, the things that I have found beneficial to me. Now we're going to look at number 4. This is me at 36 years old. At 36 years old, I'm taking great care of my skin. I am actually shocked at how I think I look better from 33 to 36. And now I'm going to show you number 5, which is 40 years old. And I actually think I look better at 40 than I did at 33 and 36. And that is 40 years old. Now here's the negatives. I wished I would have taken better care of my neck. I do believe in eye cream. I do believe in neck cream. And those that tell you that they don't work don't have practical knowledge of skin. They're not working with clients day in and day out. And it is a bit of a science experiment. You see how things work on different clients. You see how massage gets blood flowing and how important it can be to your skin. You see how wearing a wide-brimmed hat, oh, by the way, I did not wear sunscreen until I was in my, well, I always wore it on vacation. I always wore it when we went somewhere by the beach or when we went, I want to say I didn't even wear it on walks, but I always wore a wide-brimmed hat. And I will tell you, I do believe that it is important the kind of sunscreen you wear, not chemical. I believe in mineral. I really wish back when I was 20 years old, I would have known more about the health of my body and taking care of my body and how eating has been such an important part of aging for me. But my point is, and I don't know if John can put them up consecutively right now, number 1 is age 20, number 2 is age 25, number 3 is age 33, number 4 is age 36, and number 5 is age 40. And this is me today at 54 years old. I will be 55 February 6th. Yes, I've lost maybe a little bit of elasticity, but most of my elasticity is very firm and strong. Yes, I do facial yoga. Yes, I do microcurrent. And I absolutely believe that what you wash with matters. I don't want something watered down. I don't want something creamy. I think everyone has normal skin, and it's what you do to it day in and day out that changes it. And if you can't anti-age, then I want to say to those people, how can you reverse the effects of diseases? People have reversed diabetes. They have reversed high blood pressure, heart disease. If you can't change or anti-age, how can you lose weight? Your body can lose weight, and I've seen people go from 250 to 300 pounds and then become a rock solid, firm, muscular, beautiful human. So you can anti-age. Don't let anyone tell you you can't, but you've got to stop covering your face up with pounds of foundation. You have to care about what you're washing with. And you can't only wear sunscreen, but it's got to be good sunscreen, a zinc oxide, and you have got to wear a wide-brimmed hat. If you think wearing a baseball cap is wearing a hat, you are absolutely wrong, because you are aging the sides of your face. And I absolutely believe that what you put in your body is what comes out on your skin. And in fact, right now with wearing masks, I wore one of those, what would you say, Kent? It's like the blue paper mask the other day. Oh my gosh, am I paying for it? I really broke out, and I have not broken out except one time during this whole pandemic. Wear 100% cotton mask around your face, or silk if you can. But my point is, you can reverse aging, acne, you can help yourself with scar tissue, and I absolutely believe that these things can be achieved by just being patient and taking the time to do it. If you have any questions, if you need my help, please comment with love and kindness below. I hope I covered everything. I hope this gave you an idea of aging, and maybe some of you will say, oh my gosh, you age so much. But I personally think that I really have kept my aging pretty tight. I hope you all have an amazing day. I hope you all stay beautiful naturally, and let's make 2021 the beginning of the best years yet.